Good. Okay, so good day everyone. I am Laika Marine, and in today's micro teaching, we will learn about the arrhythmia and dysrhythmia. And in this presentation, we will also learn what is the difference between the two, the normal function of the heart, and what is the function of the heart when affected by this disease. So, we should know that the normal heart beats about 100,000 times per day. The normal resting heart rate is about 60 to 100 beats per minute, but rates of 40 naturally occurs during our sleep, and 90 beats per minute increases with exercise and strong emotions. So, a normal heart rhythm is also called the sinus rhythm, which comes from the fact that the normal heart rhythm arises or starts from our sinus node, the heart's natural pacemaker. And in order for the heart rhythm, for our heart to pump blood properly, the cells in the atria must all contract together, followed by a fraction of seconds later, the cells sa aton nga ventricles. And the heart uses an electrical system to coordinate the contraction of our heart cells. The heartbeat commences when heart's natural pacemaker, the sinus nodes, fires off a tiny electrical impulse, and then this electrical current spreads through all cells of the atria, causing all these cells to contract simultaneously. The electrical signal then enters a single electrical connection in the AV node and in his bundle to excite the ventricles, the cells in the ventricles. This process repeats every heartbeat that our heart do. And now that we know what is the normal function of the heart, let us get into what is not normal. So dysrhythmia has a Greek prefix dys, which means bad, ill, or difficult. And therefore, dysrhythmia essentially means bad rhythm. However, this term is not only limited to the irregularities of the heartbeat, but also can be applied to our brain and in our circadian rhythms. Arrhythmia, on the other hand, has a Greek prefix R, which means without. So, arrhythmia basically means without rhythm. So, arrhythmias are usually caused by an abnormal flow of electricity in the heart, which caused by an electrical short circuit. So, some of the diseases which can cause short circuits include high blood pressure, coronary heart diseases, problem with the heart valves, cardiomyopathy, diseases of the thyroid, and lung diseases. So, arrhythmias are usually divided into three main types: bradycardias, tachycardias, and ectopic beat. Bradyarrhythmia or the bradycardia is a slow heart rhythm usually caused by a disease in the heart's conduction system. So, types of bradycardias may include sinus node dysfunction or slow heart rhythms due to an abnormal SA node, heart block, which is a delay or complete block of the electrical impulse as it travels from our sinus nodes to the ventricles. Next is the ectopic beats. It occurs when electrical signals arise from parts of the heart other than the sinus node. So, ectopic beats can cause an intermittent and irregular heartbeat. Lastly, we have the tachycardia, which is a condition that makes our hearts beat more than 100 times per minute. Strenuous exercise, fever, stress, anxiety, and certain medications and street drugs can lead to different types of tachycardias, which are sinus tachycardia, supraventricular, and ventricular tachycardias. And that is all for this presentation. I hope you learned something today and have a great day.